Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration. Exercise 8.3, 13th problem, first bit. Integral x cube upon 2x plus 1 dx. If you observe this integral, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, right? Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. In this case, we have to divide numerator by denominator. So normal division, we know that. So x cube is divided by 2x plus 1, right? How do you get quotient here? X cube by 2x. First step, x cube by 2x. X cube by 2x. One x gets cancelled. We will get x square upon 2, right? So with that x square by 2, you have to multiply this. So 2 gets cancelled. X cube plus x square by 2. Subtract. Symbols will be changed. So what is remaining now? Minus x square by 2. Now again to get the quotient, minus x square by 2 by 2x. Minus x square by 2 by 2x means 1 by 2x. 1x cancel. Minus x by 4. Right? Minus x by 4. With that minus x by 4, we must multiply this. So, minus x square by 2 minus x by 4 plus. So, what is remaining here? X by 4. Again, x by 4 by 2x. X by 4 into 1 by 2x. So we will get 1 by 8. With that 1 by 8, if you multiply this, you will get x by 4 plus 1 by 8. So here minus these two cancel. Minus 1 by 8 is the remainder. Right? Minus 1 by 8 is the remainder. So in this case, what you have to do is, now I am going to take integral x cube by 2x plus 1 dx equal to, this can be written as quotient, integral quotient plus remainder by 2x plus 1. This is the way you have to divide. How do we write? Actually, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So this is equal to this one into this one plus this one. So to get this value, x cube by 2x plus 1, this one plus this one upon this one. Remember that. Okay? Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay? Now you can easily integrate this. So we can keep 1 by 2 aside, x square dx minus 1 by 4 aside, x dx plus 1 by 8 aside, 1 dx minus 1 by 8 aside, 1 by 2x plus 1 dx. Right? 1 by 2 into x square integration is x cube by 3 minus 1 by 4 into x square by 2 plus 1 by 8 into x minus 1 by 8 into log mod 2x plus 1 upon x coefficient we should write. So that is into 2. So we will get x cube by 6 minus x square by 8 plus x by 8 minus 1 by 8 2s are 16 log mod 2x plus 1 plus c. Right? That is the final answer. Right? So therefore, integral x cube by 2x plus 1 dx equal to x cube by 6 minus x square by 8 plus x by 8 minus 1 by 16 log mod 2x plus 1 plus c. That is the final answer. When we write integration here for 1 by 2x plus 1, log mod 2x plus 1 and write the coefficient of x in the denominator. Write the coefficient of x in the denominator. That is the final answer. Right? So, let us see the next question. Hope it is clear. So, normal division you should remember this. When degree of numerator is greater than or equal to. Remember that procedure. Okay. Degree of numerator is greater than or equal to. Let us see the second question. Integral x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2 dx. X cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. As I told you, first step x cube by x you should write, that is x square. So x cube plus 2x square. 4 minus 2, 2x square. Minus 3x should be brought down. Again 2x square by x means 2x will remain. With that 2x you should multiply the divisor. 2x square plus 4x minus minus. So minus 7x minus 2. Now again minus 7x by x means minus 7 minus 7x minus 14 plus 12. Right? So 12 is the remainder. Okay? So how can we write now? Now we can write integral x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2 dx equal to, what did I tell you? Write the quotient first. Write the quotient first. Write the quotient first plus this one upon this one. 12 by x plus 2 dx. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay, now you can do easily. Integral x square dx plus 2, keep it out. X dx minus 7 integral 1 dx plus 12 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. That equal to x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2 minus 7x plus 12. 1 by x plus 2 means log mod x plus 2 plus c. That equal to x cube by 3 plus x square minus 7x plus 12 log mod x plus 2 plus c. Therefore, final answer is x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Here also degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. That's why I did this procedure. Plus 12 log mod. There is no coefficient of x here. So directly we can write. That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Thank you.